One of Ohio's most disturbing child homicide cases ended in 2019 when Brittany Pilkington of Bellefontaine pleaded guilty to causing the deaths of her 3 young sons over a 13-month period. Between July 2014 and August 2015, Pilkington's 3 sons died in separate incidents. Niall Pilkington, 3 months old, died in July 2014. Gavin Pilkington, 4 years old, died in April 2015. Noah Pilkington, 3 months old, died in August 2015. Each time, emergency responders were called after the children were found unresponsive at the family's Bellefontaine apartment. Initially, the deaths were treated individually, but investigators became increasingly suspicious after the pattern of fatalities emerged. Following Noah's death in August 2015, police questioned Pilkington for several hours. During the interview, investigators said she confessed to intentionally suffocating all 3 boys. Prosecutors alleged that she admitted she acted out of jealousy because she believed her husband paid more attention to their sons than to her and their daughter. During later court proceedings, Pilkington's defense challenged the admissibility of the confession, arguing it was involuntary, but the case ultimately proceeded toward trial before ending in a guilty plea. On November 19, 2019, rather than proceed to trial, Pilkington entered a plea agreement. She pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder, 1 count of involuntary manslaughter. Logan County Common Pleas Court immediately sentenced her to 2 consecutive life sentences for the murder convictions, an additional 7-year prison term for the involuntary manslaughter conviction. Under Ohio law, the sentence requires her to serve decades in prison before she could become eligible for parole. Case received widespread national media coverage because of the deaths of 3 children from the same family, the unusual circumstances surrounding the investigation, and details about Pilkington's confession and family history. It also prompted discussion about child welfare investigations, warning signs in repeated child deaths, and the challenges authorities face when determining the causes of infant fatalities. The deaths of Niall, Gavin, and Noah Pilkington remain among the most heartbreaking child homicide cases in Ohio's recent history.